Hello, how are you all today? It's another gorgeous day here. I love the heat. I love the summer. I was just thinking about judgment. How sometimes we're standing in judgment and we don't even realize we are. And we're in judgment of others. Do you realize that you're in judgment of yourself? That's pretty harsh, eh? Where there's zero authority for us to be judging, right? So what do we do? Well, it's basically changing our way of thinking that every being is sovereign, every human, every critter, everything that grows and breathes and moves and everything. So that's where the phrase "I approve" comes in. So when you're sitting there going, well, why would that person wear that? That's a judgment. When you're sitting there going, oh my God, why did I just say that? Why couldn't I be this? Why couldn't I have said that? You're judging yourself. That's very hard. Yeah, we're trained to judge ourselves. We've been trained since birth. Anyway, try, if you choose, when you catch yourself in judgment, because some of them are so faint, it's hard to tell their judgment. It's okay, you'll get better at it. Try to catch yourself and go, wait a minute, I approve. Whatever they want to do, I approve. I just can remove my presence from it. Right? Or remove your energy from it too. Just thinking about it, just giving it energy. Anyway, I think you guys are amazing. And I think you're doing an amazing job of holding your space for yourself and others. Remember, you deserve love. You deserve the love that you've given out. And everything you need is within you. Go inside. If you choose. And remove some of the layers that you threw over yourself to keep yourself safe. And try, if you choose, to catch yourself in judgment of yourself and others. Again, I am standing outside of judgment right now because whatever is whatever. Everything is approved. And I love you. And I thank you for allowing me to speak with you. Aho Masais. Wale.